Magandang araw sa inyo mga kaibigan. Itong ating almusalita sa araw na ito. Ang ebanghelyo natin ay John 6:44-51. Sabi ni Jesus, "Though your ancestors ate the manna in the desert, they died. But here you have the bread from heaven, so that you may eat of it and not die. I am the living bread from heaven. Whoever eats of this bread will live forever. The bread I shall give is my flesh, and I give it for the life of the world." Napaka-real ang mensahe ni Jesus. Ang ibibigay niya ay kanyang katawan, kanyang laman, kanyang flesh. And yun po yung realistic ng experience ng bawat Catholic na nagsimba at nagkomunyon. May isang level ng communication na hindi nangyayari outside the Mass. Outside the Mass, you can think of Jesus, you can imagine Jesus, you can pray to Jesus, you can feel that the Lord is near you, you can feel that the Lord embraces you. But in the Eucharist is His flesh, alive, true, and flesh. Hindi idea, hindi imagination, hindi kung anong na picture ng iyong imahinasyon, kundi flesh. Konkretong-konkreto as ang aking katawan, as concrete as yung flesh ng aking mukha, at buhay. Sana ma-realize po natin kung nabuksan ang mata nating mga Katoliko ng kagandahan, kalaliman, kapangyarihan ng pagtanggap ng banal na komunyon, our life will be never the same. Mawawala ang kahinaan ng loob. Mawawalang kalungkutan. Mawawala ang paglulumbay at ang sense na wala kang kasama if you go to Mass and receive communion. Para sa ating hindi yan symbolic, hindi yan imagination, hindi yan palatandaan. This is His true flesh alive. At kapag natanggap mo yan, yung level ng connection and communication with the Lord, it's so powerful na nakakapanibago ng buong buhay. Please try. Don't wait for Sunday. Go to Mass. And go to Mass as often as you can. If you can go to Mass every day, please do it. Hindi lang ito panlola. Ito ay sa bawat tao may pananampalataya at pangangailangan. Go to Mass as often as you can and receive Holy Communion. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video ito, pass it on. Punuin natin ng good news ang social media. Gawin natin viral, araw-araw ang salita ng Diyos. God bless.